Yeah, hello traders. So now we'll see what are the different FNO stocks that we can keep it on a watch list और उनको next week में trade के लिए देख सकते हैं. So I have already filtered out few stocks. I can just quickly walk through of those, and if you found it useful, you can also look check and during next week. Mostly, I think Monday, Tuesday it should give a big move. Otherwise, we can wait for maybe like Thursday or Friday. So first one is this Titan. So these are the indicators are I have already explained. Those are I am using for my analysis. On top of that, I am adding this one more fixed range volume profile. So this one we can add with the swing points. For example, from this low to this high point. Then we have this higher width, this purple line. This is central volume pivot range. This is higher side range, and this is lower side range. So as we can see here, it moved from this low point to this high point, then it pulled back all the way from where it started and took the liquidity from this level. Then again it gave this high point till this central volume range, then pulled back till this here. We can say a fair value gap in this area. Then again it went high side and it took the liquidity from this swing high point, and again it pulled back, and this fair value gap we have at this new week opening gap also. So this area I am basically focusing on. We have this wick at lower side hammer type of candle we have formed, and this last Friday we have a good solid closing hammer type candle after these two retest from this fair value gap. So we can see upside move in the next week on this Titan stock, and the target can be like this fair value new week opening gap high point, then this central volume range 3, 4, 6, 8, 6, 9. Then we have this range also like target 1, 2, and 3. Then at last, if it crosses, then this high side liquidity area this can took, and this fair value gap right side this can also be taken. So this is the one stock I am keeping on my watch list. Next one is Bajaj Finance. So again, if we draw this fixed range volume profile, I am taking the range from this to this level. Now we have the central line, lower line, and upside line. So price move all the way to low side of this lower side volume range, then pull back to this liquidity area, then pulled back here, retested, and again good upside move it has given to us. Now we are having this inside bar after this big red candle, and it is giving a inside bar breakdown type of confirmation from this new week opening gap. So it can test this fair value gap area and come till this level 6956 or 7000 range. This liquidity point also we have. So if Nifty is going down and we want to look for trades as a short side, then we can check this one for target around this area only, not for big target, but for quick trade intraday basis we can check it out. So after Bajaj Finance we have GNFC. So here basically I saw this inside bar candle after this big red candle, and it break out this big red candle and this fair value gap as well. So I'm thinking like it can go all the way till this pivot line. If we draw this range, one second, this volume profile from this low to this high. Yeah, so it has already tested this, taken the liquidity from this low area point, and this candlestick pattern, if we see inside bar breakout and closing of these two candles, is quite good. So I'm looking to take this liquidity area. This can go upside from here to this level as well, but at least this pivot range, basically we can say 590, we can have this in the next week, mostly on Monday or Tuesday itself, if Nifty supports. So this is the one, I'm keeping it on my watch list. Next one is Aarti Industries. Here also, if you can see, we have formed this S pattern type, like after a big downside move, it has consolidated in this area, and here it is showing some strength from buying side. It has crossed this swing high point, then again when it goes down, it went upside and crossed this high side as well, and closing is also good. So next week we can see move till this fair value gap upside around 500, round figure 500, 511. This type of up move we can see in next week. If we draw this volume profile for this lower side range, okay, so this is at resistance level, this is the target it has already like touched. So if it has to go upside, then it should give us a gap up opening at high side of this range. This point we can say 445. It should be gap up, and then from morning itself it should go in the upside direction from this 500 to 510 if it wants to go higher side. Otherwise, if it doesn't support and the opening is flat or lower side, then I think it will again retest, will go down till this level, like this fair value gap we have. This new week opening gap is also there, so it can pull back again, consolidate, retest, and we can have a confirmation like inside bar breakout or something. Then after that till here, then again it can go up there. Or else if it wants to go continuously, then we can, it should must have gap up opening, then only we can take for the upside move here. Otherwise we can, otherwise we won't trade for the long side on this one. Yeah, so this is Aarti Industries. Next one is ONGC. Let me cover it quickly. Okay, yeah, so this one also we have this big red candle, black candle. I have colored it as a black one. So these are the down move red candle. So that is also one purpose. Psychologically, we shouldn't see the red color on our chart. So it impacts our psychology. So I have changed all the red colors to black one on my chart. So after this, and this red candle, we can see this inside bar form 2 3 inside bar candle, then it is giving us a breakout type of move, and the closing is also upside of the central volume range. So and the new week opening gap. This is good, better setup compared to other stocks we have seen. So it can give us a upside move till this level 292 in few days. Next week only I am expecting these the few fair value gap resistance areas also there. So it may take some time during this range 278 279 and this 288. So at least we can expect to 287 288 in the upcoming 1 or 2 days in next week. So this one we can keep it on a watch list also. Next one is Godrej JCP. So it has already taken this liquidity, this equal highs it has formed. Let's see volume. Okay, so this range from swing high to swing low point, it has given this upside move, touched this liquidity area, then pulled back. Then we have this good confirmation candle, and it has already given this up move. If it further goes to this area and fill this gap, then this can also be possible with gap up opening 122930. This much target we can see, or it can go till this level also if we have a strength. This is something low probability stock. We should avoid this one. India Mart is again one more from FMCG. So here also, if you're noticing, we have this blue dot like inside bar after this big red candle, and this is a breakout confirmation of this inside bar. Closing is also offside this red candle. So this is also a good setup. It can go all the way till this level 2371, this high point. So this is a good setup. We can look for trades tomorrow. India Mart. So I'm keeping this on my top. ONGC, India Mart, Bajaj Finance is short side, so I'll keep it as a different. Then India ANB is also one. It has already given quite a move, so this is not a fresh move, we can say. And we have already few stocks that we have filtered out, so let's not make our watch list too long. We can avoid this one. I think one last one I can say Manappuram. Just quickly, we'll take a look on this one. Okay, I think I already added this swing point. So here, this is the range, this low to this high, and we. Okay, let me delete it first. I'll add one more in front of you. So from this high point to this low point, it has this low swing move we had then consolidated in this range, and this breakout happened. It moved all the way till this level, and again consolidation happened in this area, and this is the Friday's candle, which is like a giving a good closing. Candle is also solid body, and it is like giving us a breakout type of air. So we can see if tomorrow it gives us a gap up opening, and it can go all the way till this level 230. If Nifty supports, then we can take a look on this one also. Or maybe this is the resistance area here. You can see this fair value gaps formed couple of candles. It can spend some time in this range, and then later after a few days it will give us a this upside move, and target is this 230. So this one at last we can keep it in our watch list. Most of them are from long side. So that's it from my side. Thank you.